Okay, so this is what we're up to so far. I'm going to now draw the handle for it. So to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to put it in. So that's the side view, but I'm going to come to the other side. That's the one, because that's where this is the handle's going to go on this side here. Now remember, I've got mine on this one, which is 2-dimensional, parallel projection. This one's perspective, where it gets further back. This one I find easier to draw it in with this one. So I'm going to get my rectangle, and I want it to be 20, 120. That's that. I'm going to now we're going to put a couple of holes in there that we're going to be drilling. So this first one's going to come up 15, and I'll get the circle. And just for now, I'm going to do radius 2. I'm not sure if that's what size we'll actually do it once we get in there, but we'll have the right drill then. I'm just sort of guessing some of these now. So there, get the pencil again. This time I'm going to measure up 35. 35, there's the point, and find that end point that I just did there, come in 5, and once again get the circle, and we'll do the same size circle, radius 2, get rid of all those extra little lines. I'm going to zoom in closer here. This is a little slot that a rubber band's going to sit attached to. That'll keep bringing the handle back, so I'll just go across to there. Same deal, across to there, and I'll delete these bits I don't want. I'll delete that while I'm here. You can just get that surface, that deletes the surface. Now, the other thing, you're going to be rounding off the end, so we may as well have a go at drawing it like that. So if I use, say, the 3-point curve, which is that one, the 3-point arc, I'll just guess for this one, I won't worry about measuring it. There, and I'll do the same down the bottom, just guess, hit the midpoint, up to there, and that should be okay. Now, if I just get rid of those other pieces, remember, if you draw the box backwards, it'll select everything that's partially within the box, which is what I'm doing on those first 3. If you can't get your head around that, the other way to go is just go delete and delete, and that works the same. Okay, so I'll orbit that around a little, give it some thickness, which is going to be 7, the same as all the other ply we've used, so just that, type in 7, and now I'm going to group that, make a group. Now I'm going to put it into place, so I'll go back to my side view, oops, wrong side, there. Yep, that looks right. So now I'm going to move it into place, and I'll do the same as I did with the other piece. I'm just going to have a bit of a guess, so I'll get as close as I can to that circle. And come in here and line it up as close as I can with that circle. Now we'll have a look at the side views. I can tell that's not going to be correct, but that doesn't matter, we'll fix it up. So there, I'll have to zoom out a bit. Okay, so I see it's put it on the inside, so I'll just move it. That'll do. Now, when we do this, you're going to have a couple of screws and bolts and nuts and things in there holding it all together, but it's just going to be too awkward to try and draw all that. So I'll leave that like that. I will make it a piece of wood. So it looks okay. Close that. Zoom back out. And sorry, there we go. That's sort of what it's going to look like when it's done. Sorry, there's one more thing that's missing. We're actually going to make a lid for it, but I won't worry about putting that in this drawing now. Okay, so if you can get this far, if you've managed to get through these 5 videos, you have done brilliantly. Okay, so good luck with that, and we'll see you out there.